I've always been captivated by the technical aspects of aviation. At age 27, I decided to start my private pilot license training after being inspired by a Luxair captain whose passion and dedication to flying were contagious.
One day, I said to myself, why not follow this dream that's driven me since I was a child? And that's how I got through Luxair's selection process, and here I am.
After months of hard work, I finally got selected into the program, and aviation was always a big interest of mine, and I could see the dream of becoming a pilot become reality.
At Luxair, we are proud to fully sponsor our Cadet pilot program. This means that as a Cadet pilot, you can focus on your training without worrying about the financial stress. We oversee the training and development of our Cadet pilots, and our role actually is to ensure that each student receive high quality education and support through their training journey.
I arrived with high expectations for the quality training, and so far everything has met my expectations. The training at BAA Training has been thorough and well structured, just as I had hoped. This program has been an incredible opportunity to turn my passion into a profession.
We are proud to have individuals from over 60 different nationalities working together. This mix of culture and languages creates a dynamic and lively workplace where innovation and collaborations are encouraged.
The overall environment, experience and atmosphere at the school is amazing. All the students work hard together to reach one common goal of becoming professional pilots. Coming from all over the world, we feel united in overcoming the challenges that we face every day to reach our goals. BAA Training is one of Luxair's partner ATOs. Specifically, their state-of-the-art facilities, modern fleet and commitment to providing high-quality training made it ideal for my pilot training journey.
You would expect conventional airline pilot training to begin with 9 months of theory before you start flying. But BAA Training has offered an innovative methodology based on a mix of theoretical courses and flying at the same time. This way of doing things allows you to get flying quickly, because that's what we're here for, while guaranteeing that your theoretical knowledge will be applied over time.
All the instructors have been incredibly helpful, competent and friendly. For the theory part, one instructor in particular stands out for me, José. He embodies every aspect of a phenomenal teacher.
Whether you are just starting your journey as a cadet or an experienced pilot looking to advance your career, Luxair offers a comprehensive training and development opportunities. You will receive a high-quality training from experienced professionals, experience a variety of culture, and be a part of a team that values every individual contribution.
I am incredibly proud and excited to have passed the assessment with Luxair, the flag carrier of my home country, Luxembourg. Luxair holds a special place in my heart as it is the first airline I ever flew with as a child. I have fond memories of family holidays, school excursions and various trips all about Luxair planes. I am honored to have the opportunity to contribute to an airline that has given me so much joy and inspiration. I am dedicated to bringing my passion and commitment to Luxair, aiming to stay with the company until the end of my career.